boys and girls hairstyles. Today I have Lisa with me and I want to show you her cute cut. She gets compliments all the time, so I wanted to come in and show you guys this. I just kind of point cut into this. We don't like it real straight, but we do like it tight against her neck. So I'll show you how to do that. Okay, up here, I really like to just chunk into her hair too, so it's not like a straight line. Okay, so from this area down, you're going to angle your fingers in and make sure that your fingers are tight against the head. And then this way, Lisa doesn't have to deal with it, huh? It just goes. Okay, so just point cut into this. Okay, and then when you hit this middle spot here, you're going to start to angle in your fingers. And I just set my fingers up against her head. And that, you know, tells how tight it is. Okay, same thing here. I just chunk into this. Okay, and then angle these fingers in. Okay, with her sides, just hold this straight out, chunk into that a little. Angle in. Okay, now this side I'm going to kind of hold back a tiny bit, just because I want this to blend by her ear, because she likes it longer in the front. So I just pull that back a little bit. But this I still keep tight against her head right there. So you can see how that's tight, and then it kind of comes up this way. Okay, same thing here, just chunk this out. Just point cut into that. Okay, hold it tight here. And Lisa's hair grows fast, so she likes it manageable. So the shorter the easier. Keep this tight here. Okay, so I chunk into the sides. And then remember right here, you're just going to hold back a little bit so it can go a little bit longer by her ear. But right here, you want to keep it tight against her neck there. Okay, now for the top, whoop, same thing, chunk it out. So you can see how I'm chunking. I mean, we don't want this even through here. I mean, you want it even, but does that make sense? You don't want it even. The more chunky, the more piecey it's going to look when you style it. So you don't want it like totally even. But you do follow the same guideline, obviously, so you don't have craziness going on. But definitely chunk into that. Okay, hold this out, straight out. And she likes her sides long, so I'm not taking a ton off of her sides, but I am point cutting into it, obviously, because you want it trimmed up a little. But I'm not taking, I took more off the rest than her sides just because she likes those a little bit longer. Okay, same thing with her sides. I'm just going to take a tiny bit, but I definitely point cut into them and around that ear. So see, it kind of comes down, up, and then down again. Okay, and then this other side, same thing. I'm just going to hold this out, just trim this a tiny bit, and point cut into it. Okay. Same thing by this ear. See, kind of comes up by the ear and back down. Okay, now her bangs, she likes them longer, but not so long that they kind of are annoying in her face. So what I like to do here is I like to take my razor, and you're going to kind of come in on an angle, and you're just going to chunk this out a little bit. And then this will make it look wispy and kind of light, not so bulky around the face. So I'm coming up here about into this area with it. Then on her sides, just so it all doesn't hang, because where she likes it long in the front, we don't want it to look bulky there, you know what I mean? So this is a good way to like piece that out. Okay, then I like to come up here and just chunk this out, so it will stand up really good for her. All right. Okay, now I just comb that out, and then the way I like to check it is do this, and if it stands up, you're good to go. See it standing up? If it kind of plops back down, you're going to want more, okay? So that's a good way to tell how much texturizing you need. So if you do this and it stands up, you're good. If not, do a little bit more, okay? All right, now to style, I'm going to use the Root Lifter. This is from Monate. Love, love, love it. It helps your hair stay up all day. So you just spray this in the root area. Then I'm going to use the mousse, okay? See, there's just one squirt. It looks like it's not that much. That's seriously all you need. Then you rub it in your hands. It's very concentrated, so you don't need a lot. And that is the mousse. Okay, now I'm going to dry. So the back, I obviously just dry it down. And the mousse was called the Moxie Magnifying Mousse, just so you know. Now with the Root Lifter, I like to dry it the opposite way you need the volume. And you don't dry it the opposite way to where it's dry, but almost. So see, I'm drying it this way, but we really go this way. And then that way, the Root Lifter will just keep it standing up all day. You doing good, Lise? Yeah? Okay. Then when we're all done drying, we'll make sure the sides are even and we'll get her styled up. Dry it. If you go back and forth and keep styling, that makes a huge difference in how you dry and how it looks at the end. course. Okay, I'm just gonna thin this side out a tiny bit with my texturizing shears. Okay, now what I'm gonna put in Lisa's hair is 2 drops of the oil, and that's from Monat too. It's the Rejuvenate oil. And that's all you need is 2 tiny drops. The oil is very light, and this gives it a ton of shine.
Smells good.
Oh, thank you. I'm glad you brought that up. It does smell good. This smells like lemons. It smells really, really yummy. Okay, and then this is the clay, you guys. This is what I use to piece out. So distortion, I know we used to have that, and it went away. And now I finally found this is way better than distortion. So it's called the clay, and it's from Monat. I love it so much because it pieces out, but it's very, very soft, which is crazy. I always felt like I needed my hair stiff to have it piece out and stuff. But this pieces out, but it's very soft. She's still doing good?
Yep.
Okay. Okay, so I'm going to turn her in the mirror for just a second. Okay, now I'm going to grab my back. Or I'm going to back comb here for a second, just a little bit. Okay, this is the hairspray. This smells phenomenal. This is from Monat. And you guys will notice in all my videos from here on out, that's what I use is Monat. I use no other product. That's how much I love, love, love this. You guys, there is Lisa's haircut. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. I would appreciate it. And let me know what you think. Thank you so much. Have a great day.